Hello and welcome in. My name is Sweetphil. Today I'm going to show you how to use a drop shadow in order to make objects, pictures, or text. You can put this on anything to make it really pop and stand out, or give it a depth of field to make it look like that text or image is actually above the background. Now, first of all, I've already got it set up with a background and text here, and I got it set up over here with a background and an image of an item here. It is an item from a game that I play. It's not really a big deal what it is. It could be anything. We'll start off with the text first. You can see the blue on the gray, but maybe it doesn't necessarily pop as much as you want to. Now what you're going to want to do is come up to the top, click on Effects Library. You'll probably start off, it'll be highlighted Toolbox. Come down and click on Open Effects. If you're at the top here, scroll down, 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 until you get to Resolve FX Styles. Click and drag the drop shadow, and then hold it over the text and let go. You can see it did it right there. I don't generally like leaving it the way that it is standard. Up here in the inspector, click on Effects. Now down here, under the drop shadow stuff, I like to decrease the distance first of all, and I like to increase the shadow strength to really give it more pop to it. Now the blur also coming down will tighten up the darkness, and you see the outside edge of the text really start to pop, and it really makes that text really stand out from the background a lot more. That is a simple way to make your text really pop and look better here in Davinci Resolve when you got text. Now if you have an image, for example, right here we have the image. It doesn't necessarily, the color is remarkably a lot like the background. If you want it to stand out more, you can definitely put the drop shadow on there. You see the shadow come up. Same thing, inspector, come over to Effects Library. I will increase the shadow strength once again. And you know what? This time I'm going to take the distance a little bit further because I want to make it look like this is out from the background. There you go, you can see that. The blur you want to play with, because the further away from the background you get, generally the more you want it to blur, but I do want it to show up. So that's good on this image. That's how you use drop shadows in Davinci Resolve to really make your item stand out or give them that depth perception.